Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hitesh and I'm back with another product modeling tutorial. So in this one we are going to create this Serum bottle and we're going to recreate this entire scene. So in a final render the scene will look something like this, not exactly. So I'm going to start with a cylinder for the bottle. So I think this much should be enough. And I'm going to reduce the poly count for now. And I'm going to select this entire edge ring and bevel to get this shape. And I'm going to select the vertices down here, pull these up a little bit, and again bevel just a tiny bit like this. And I'm going to select these faces, then offset and pull these up like this. And as for the top, I'm going to select the faces, add some offset and extrude. Now I'm going to add a little bit of more offset and we are going to model the internal part. Since the bottle is semi-translucent, so we need to model the internal layer to material to work better. So I'm going to extrude like this and scale. Or maybe extrude a little bit like this. We'll fix this in a minute. And then I'm going to extrude till here. I'm going to select this edge this one and extrude like this, pull this up. Now we need to create this dropper, and for that I'm going to select the faces here and duplicate, modify center pivot, and I'm going to go to edge mode, pull this edge up, then extrude, and pull this down. I'm going to extrude this a little bit, give it some thickness. And for the dropper, again I'm going to select these faces and duplicate, modify center pivot, and I'm going to select this, extrude, like this. And then I'm going to select this, go to mesh display and reverse the normals. And I'm going to select this and merge edges to center. And to create this round part, I'm going to just bevel this and chamfer like this. And you can select the vertices and merge them to make sure that these vertices are merged. And you can make it a little bit taller like this. This should do the job. Now let's add supporting edges for the bottle. So I'm going to isolate this first, and I'm going to select this and turn down the fraction, and same thing we can do here like this. And this one. And for this one, and make sure you have selected the same from the inside. I think we're good with this one, so I'm going to go and select these ones and one in the inside like this. And bevel. Now this should do this. And I think this looks nice. I'm going to bring back the rest of the part of this model and again isolate this one. Select all the hard edges and bevel. Now at last I'm going to select the dropper and I'm going to repeat the same thing here like this. And with this one I'll add one segment like this, and everything looks okay. As for these black patches, I just need to go to my perspective camera, and in the attribute editor I just need to change the near clip plane value. So we are done with this. And as for the rock, we are going to use some Megascan asset and set up our scene. So I think I'll just finish this video here, and in the next one we are going to apply the material and render this out. So I'm going to select everything, go to edit, delete by type history. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any feedback. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.